Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and today I'm going to show you how to decrease and increase space between lines. So it's pretty easy, it's very easy, there's nothing difficult here. So before you increase or decrease any space between lines, you have to highlight the lines involved. In my case, just 2 lines. So in your case, it may be an entire document, or a piece of text. So in my case, it's just 2 lines. So after selecting that, you're going to head to the Home tab and then click on the paragraph setting right here. So after clicking on the paragraph setting, you're going to come down to the spacing, and then there's a before and there's an after. So make sure the before and after is not completely empty. So make sure it's not completely empty. Here, since we're doing a custom, it's not, you would probably see yours as single or double. So but in mine, since we want to make the line spacing custom, so we have to make it multiple. So in this multiple, we can enter a decimal value as 0.9, 0.6, 0. Whatever. We can even make it 6. Let's just see 6. So 6 will make it broad. And so as you can see, it's actually the space between the lines are actually far apart. Now I'm just going to reduce them. Let's try 0.7 for example. So 0.7, then okay. So you can see how the spaces in between these lines are now. So that's how you actually decrease and increase space between lines. Keep in mind that these must not be empty. They mustn't be empty. These two as well, they must not be empty. Okay, so that's pretty much it for this tutorial. Please like and subscribe if you found this video helpful, and as always, I'll see you next time. Thank you. Bye.